In the fall and winter is when we start the planning for the upcoming year. It's the first step in being able to reach your goal for the upcoming year. For Lance, this means we plan how we're going to peak for the Tour de France and get him to absolute top condition come July, the Tour de France. We start back from that goal, from the specialization phase to the preparation phase to the foundation phase. The mileage starts building over time along with intensity so he can reach his goal ready and 100% prepared. You too should be doing the same thing. From your goal, build back, gradually increasing both time on the bike, mileage on the bike, and intensity on the bike so that you're ready come your goal, 100% prepared, just like Lance.